If you are also fond of pulao and biryani, then definitely try this recipe of yakhni pulao. I love this recipe more than biryani. So let's start making our pulao. First of all, take 50 to 60 ml oil in a pressure cooker. Then we will put half kg of meat in it. The meat has to be washed thoroughly with 2 to 3 times of water and cleaned. Then here we will take 5 to 6 medium-sized onions chopped into fine slices according to half kg meat, and add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste to the mixture. In the whole spices we will take 1 anise flower, 2 pieces of cinnamon, 2 small cardamoms, 1 large cardamom, 6 to 7 black peppers, 1 bay leaf and 3 to 4 cloves. Along with this we will add salt as per taste. Now add water equal to 2 glasses so that the meat gets tenderized and doesn't burn. Add 2 tablespoons of turmeric and 1 tablespoon of cumin. Now mix all this well, and after mixing close the pressure cooker, and here we will cook the meat for 6 to 7 whistles so that the meat gets soft. Here the meat has been cooked very well. So for now we will keep it aside. Again add 50 to 60 ml of oil in separate pan. As soon as the oil is hot, add 3 finely chopped tomatoes in it. Cook the tomatoes on medium to slow flame for 3 to 4 minutes while turning so that it becomes soft. As soon as the tomatoes become soft, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of red chilli powder, and to cook the spices add boiled meat water so that the spices get cooked and don't remain raw. So now mix all this well and cook it on a slow flame for 5 to 7 minutes so that the all spices get cooked properly and rawness goes away from them. So here you can see all the spices are cooked and ready. So now we will add boiled meat in it. Also add 1.5 glass of water in it. Now add 2 large cups of rice in it. I have already washed the rice. We will add salt according to the rice, 2 cut potatoes, and finely chopped coriander and mint. And now let this yakhni pulao cook on medium to high flame. Let it boil by keeping the pan open for 5 minutes. After boiling for 5 minutes, the rice will be cooked 50 to 60%. So now we will cover it and cook it completely again on a very slow flame. So after about 5 to 7 minutes, this yakhni pulao is ready. You can also make this yakhni pulao with chicken. You must try this delicious yakhni pulao recipe and tell us by commenting how did you like this yakhni pulao recipe. If you like the recipe, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.